How to avoid sample selection bias in A/B testing. Imagine trying to improve your website's performance but ending up with results that don't really reflect your actual users. That's what sample selection bias can do. It happens when the group of users in your test isn't representative of everyone you want to reach. This can lead to false conclusions about what works best. To keep your testing accurate, you need to make sure every user has an equal shot at being part of your experiment. Start by choosing reliable A/B testing software that randomly assigns users to control and variation groups. True randomization means each user has an equal chance of ending up in any group. This helps create comparable groups and reduces the chance of bias sneaking in. Be cautious with methods that depend on client-side scripts, because these can delay or change how users are assigned, unintentionally skewing your results. Next, check your sample size. It should be large enough to reflect your entire audience. If you only test on a small or specific group, your results might not apply to everyone. For example, testing only on desktop users might miss insights from mobile users. Also, watch out for users who leave the test early or don't finish. Excluding these users after the test starts can introduce bias because the remaining users might not be representative. Segment your audience carefully. Include only users relevant to your test but avoid overly narrow criteria that exclude important groups. For example, if you're testing a new checkout process, include users from different regions, devices, and shopping behaviors. Then, split your traffic evenly between groups to keep things balanced. Throughout the test, monitor the characteristics of your users. Check if demographics, behaviors, or device types are evenly distributed across groups. If you notice differences, consider adjusting your randomization method or using stratified sampling, which ensures key attributes are balanced. Finally, analyze your results with statistical methods that account for potential biases. This helps confirm that your observed differences are real and not just due to chance or sampling errors. In marketing campaign optimization, avoiding sample selection bias is essential. It means trusting your test results and making confident decisions about which creative or message truly improves performance. By keeping your randomization fair and your sample representative, you can be sure your growth strategies are based on accurate, reliable data.